here we go. We're going up here to our second referral request for a house clean. Here we go. We're coming in and we will be taking a look at the floors and getting those back shiny. Inside the blinds. I don't think she did the oven clean. No, I don't think she did the oven cleaning, but she didn't want the oven cleaning, but we will clean that part of the oven. Microwave. Inside the cupboards, or the cabinets, either one, how you prefer to say it. Bathroom. Make sure we get this shower. All right, so then we come in here. Nice little room. Shouldn't take about 10-15 minutes to get in this room here. Make sure we clean inside that. Our trash can already clean, it smells pretty good. Hang on, have some tape right here. Alright. She also wants the carpet clean, so we will be cleaning her carpet. Oh, it's just the steps. Upstairs bathroom. I will leave that on. Don't know why that's there, but I will leave that on. It looks like it's taped up for a reason. Cleaning the shelves. Bathtub. Inside the creases. Taken care of. Okay, so I leave that here too. Wash it. So I haven't been doing my inspections. So I always tell my guys to do an inspection with a rag and something of liquid, just because you have to clean up. I usually try to take 2 rags if possible, if I remember. One that I can get wet and one that will take a little drying. So let's do this. Let's get our proper materials. Boom, boom. Got me 2 rags. I could have done it with just plain water, but So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to put this with plain water. We're gonna put some water on this.
Eight hours later.
Oh, I missed this one. We did the carpet clean on the steps, smelling good. And a good smell it had to come in. Bathroom. Shower. No smears. We had a stain in there. We got that down. Yes, sir. My team had taken care of it. I end up inspecting it, and we say the profit is about, I don't really know how much I charged on this because we're doing 2 houses, honestly. So I don't know exactly how much I charge on this one, but I would say profit on this one will probably be about $350, maybe. I think about $350 for the day, for this one. We employees sometimes, man. We employees too. I'm a CEO of a business. I just took owner-operator off of my business card because I was the owner-operator. I don't want to be the owner-operator anymore. I just want to be the owner. So right now I'm still in my owner-operator stage. I just took it off my business card, and it's gonna take time to maturate to where I'm just the owner. I haven't cracked the code of how to get good workers in and stay them consistent. I don't care if you pay them more. Some people just don't want to stay long. So what I'm doing now is I'm offering a set fee to people regardless of the work that we have. So my first person I done with it, I offered them a set amount, and they fine with it right now. All right, so we took the mop head off. I seen some little footprints here, so I got another rag. Hey, we mopping. Yeah, we mopping here. All right, so we started back up here. Remember that? We finished now. You know how we do. You know how we do. Ascent Cleaning Solutions. Got this thing looking good. Turn this light on in here. Yes, sir. Brought that natural wood back to the, oh man. Got a little cutting hole through there. Brought that look back to the wood. My guys up here, we done vacuumed and mopped and swept. Oh, let me go through here. And I already put the polish on it. And there we go. All right, man. And another one bite, and another one, and another one bites the dust. Man, I don't know how many of these I gotta do, but how many ever, wherever, as long as it's in close proximity to my locations, we gonna pull Ascent Cleaning Solutions, Nashville, Tennessee. Residential move in, move out, commercial cleaning. We your team. But this one here, my team rock. I'm out of here. Peace.